Hey guys, this is Jody with Only Have One Life to Live. And while Kelly and I were at the 2023 Florida RV Super Show in Tampa, we toured this perfect weekender RV. You're not gonna believe what's packed inside, so stay tuned. Everything you need to know is in the description below, and remember to like and subscribe the video. It costs you nothing, but it means everything to us. Would you like to take a weekend trip on this RV? Let us know in the comments below. Let's get started. Okay, this is a Basecamp 20X. MSRP 64,150. Has a composite floor, a 3-inch lift for off-road capabilities, suburban on-demand tankless water heater system, stabilizer jacks, LED lighting. So let's go in and take a look. Here you've got a full front kitchen, place to sit down. You got a fridge, you got a microwave, fuse box down at the bottom down there. You've got another wet head with a shower. Again, a 2-burner stove, sink, and several storage areas. So a little place to put your utensils. And those are push to close and push to open doors. Some more storage area. And then here's the bedroom area, or table area if you need additional table area. Window lets out for ventilation. Back door opens for ventilation. It looks like there's a secret compartment down here. What's up under here? Okay, it looks like that's where your table and stuff stores while you're traveling. Pretty cool. It's a little bit bigger, still has the same escape hatch in the back. It's got some pods down here, or some stabilizer jacks down there. Got outside power. Still has the same front propane gas area. It's a good looking rig. Would you like to take a weekend trip on this RV? Let us know in the comments below.